guys, this is Precious and welcome to my channel.
Everyone, happy new year. I hope everybody is doing well. Again, this is Precious and welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to introduce to you Coppermask. So I have an online purchase of Coppermask and I'm going to unbox it with you today. Mask is a face mask that helps kill 99% of germs. It has a strong antimicrobial layer that helps kill 99% of germs. It has a superior bacteria exterminator effect, comfortable respiration, complete prevention of saliva droplets, help prevents dermatitis and allergies, and this is harmless to humans. One box of Coppermask includes 1-piece antimicrobial Coppermask film, 10 pieces reusable non-woven filter, 2 pieces seal sticker, 8 pieces colored Coppermask logo, black, red, green, and blue, 2 pieces elastic string. This one box is basically good to be used within 30 days. The original Coppermask, you can go to this Facebook page. This is the page of my link for Coppermask, facebook.com/Coppermask 114072870396619, and you can go to the lowest portion of the page and then you will be able to find the direct link for you to order the Coppermask. Okay, once you click that, it will show you the Coppermask page where you can order different types of available Coppermask We have the limited edition light purple, as well as the original Coppermask 2.0. We have a lot of colors to choose from, orange, and we also offer some bundle, like you can buy the limited edition bundle red and the original Coppermask for 760 pesos. We have lots of different colors to choose from. Just go to my website and check it out. Alright, so if you have decided which color you want to buy, you can just click on the particular page. For example, because I like lavender, I would choose to buy Coppermask 2.0 limited edition light purple for 380. I would like 2 parts of that, so if you want just one piece, it will definitely show you there. But if you want 2 or 3 or more, you can just simply add, or if you want to remove something, you can just simply click the deduct button and then add to cart. Okay, so once you added this to your cart, you can see a small cart button on the right upper hand side of the page. It looks like a cart with the quantity of the mask that you have ordered. Simply go down and click on proceed checkout. Alright, so once you press checkout, you will then see this page, which is the order page. From here, you can add your contact details, your email address, as well as your phone number and the shipping address where you want to ship it. So we are currently shipping nationwide. All you have to do is just put on the correct details on the address as well as the postcode, and then once you review that your information has been correct, you may now go to proceed to shipping. Okay, alright, so once you proceed to shipping, it will show you the shipping total number, the estimated shipping date, the amount of the shipment, and the information of the person where you want to ship it to. And you may proceed checkout if you feel that this information is correct, plus a shipping fee of 150 pesos. So you may now proceed to checkout. Alright, so for the payment method, you can also select any type of payment method. You can use your JC wallet, credit or debit card, using the e-wallet's online bank with this bank merchants, as well as GrabPay and Landmark, OTC Bank, OTC non-bank, and you may also use WeChat Pay, GCash, Alipay. So you have a lot of payment methods to choose from. And then once you click on I agree button, you can now proceed to check out. Alright, so in here, you may now put on your details, information, and just authorize both Cloud Panda to debit the net charges from your credit card, and then you may proceed. So after you proceed, the shipment will be completed. Purchasing Coppermask, be careful of what you're buying, especially if you're gonna buy it in Divisoria or in Baclaran or in any other areas, because those might not be original. So be aware of the fake ones. So if you want to grab these ones, you can actually use my shop link down below. Just click it and you may order it online to make sure that you'll be getting the original Coppermask. For watching this vlog, guys, and I hope every one of you are keeping themselves protected. And again, if anybody is interested, you can put on a comment, leave a comment down below if you want to be an online franchisee as well, or you can also order this by clicking my shop link down below. Thank you so much, guys. Keep safe. Bye.